Toys Turkey, Turkish toy exporter. Welcome to Toys Turkey website education video. In www.toysturkey.com, we have a unique feature that allows you to have your quotation quickly and practically. In this video, I will demonstrate you how to use it shortly. Let's look together. We have already opened our website. Here, we can search one special product or we can go through categories. Now, we are randomly selecting Games and Puzzles category. You can see list of products here. We are clicking on Tower Toy. You can see here product description, country of origin, box dimension, box weight. Here, one important thing is this quantity section doesn't define the one piece of toy. It defines piece of one box that includes this toy. For example, this part means that this box contains 24 pieces of tower toy. If you increase the quantity here, for example, if you do this too, you will have 48 pieces of this product. Let's continue. If we determine that this quantity is appropriate, we click on Add to Offer. So a new window opened here. In this window, you can see summary of your selection. If you think that this is all you want, you can click on Go to my cute basket. If you desire to add more item, you can click on Continue to shopping. You can go back to home page and you can also cancel this selection. Now we will add more product as trial and we click on Continue shopping. We come to categories. We click on Construction Toys and we select this product. Let's make the quantity as 3 and then Add to Offer. Our selection summary window turned out as you see. And now we decided that we need only these toys and quantities and we want to have offer from Toys Turkey and we click on Go to my cute basket. Now in this section you see again a summary of your selection. You can remove selected item or we can add some other products. But if you determine that everything is okay, we are passing to fulfilling this below part. We are filling these boxes by turn, but now in order to gain time, I already filled these boxes. Company name, country, you can select here name and surname, delivery address, which you determined as delivery destination, your telephone number and your email address. Email address is important because your requested offer will be sent to your email address. As a final step, we are clicking on Offer. And as you see, we have completed the request module and your request has been sent to our expert's email address. So, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.